Hey, welcome back to Lava Tools. Hey, today I'm talking about the Speed Queen washer and dryer, the TC5 and the DC5. A friend of mine recently replaced his 11-year-old washers and dryer with the Speed Queen. These things are like small tanks. They both have a 5-year warranty. The washing machine has a stainless steel tub, whereas the dryer has a galvanized tub. Now, the agitator on the washer is top to bottom. Here you can see how sturdy and solid this thing looks. At the top of the washer, it looks simple, but in its simplicity is what makes it special. You've got very large knobs to set your wash temperature. You can set your options. You can't set your fill levels, but you do have a deep fill option. You've got some status lights, and you have the cycle selection. So you've got your normal, permanent press, heavy duty, bulky, that type of thing. Again, very solid handles. On the dryer, which is the DC5, again, like I mentioned, is also a 5-year warranty. Now, a company that's willing to give you a 5-year warranty right out the door has got to have something really special. How many times have you gone into Lowe's or Home Depot and the best they offer is a 1-year warranty, and then you've got to pay the extra $200 to get 2 more years? These guys are giving you 5 years right out the door. Here you can see the details. And here's the galvanized tub. The insides look really solid. At the top, you've got your fabric selector, your signal switch, and your cycle selection. Again, very simplistic, but very, very solid. So you've got no heat, delicate, permanent press, and regular. You've got your noisemaker, full loud or off. And then, of course, you've got your cycle selection for your permanent press, regular, time. They have these units on Amazon.com, so you can get pricing. But I would go to a local dealer that specializes in appliances to get the best deal and the best service. So let me know what you think, and we'll check you out next time. Thanks.